A black hole is an extremely dense object in space, where the gravitational pull is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape its grasp. This makes black holes invisible and detectable, only observing how they affect nearby stars and gas. The first black hole discovered was Cygnus X-1 in 1964. Black holes typically form when a massive star runs out of fuel and collapses under its own gravity. This collapse creates an incredibly dense region in space. Black holes can also form from the merger of two smaller black holes, or from the collapse of very large gas clouds. The closest known black hole to Earth is about 1,000 light-years away, and the largest known black hole is 66 billion times the mass of the Sun. There is a boundary surrounding a black hole called event horizon, which is the point of no return. Once something crosses this point, it is inevitably pulled into the black hole and cannot return. At the core of a black hole, gravity becomes so extreme that it crushes matter into an infinitely tiny point known as a singularity. In this region, the usual rules of space and time no longer apply, and the known laws of physics fail to describe what happens. Black holes can't be seen directly because no light can escape them, but their presence can be inferred by observing how they affect nearby stars, gas, and light. For instance, a black hole might pull gas from a nearby star, causing the gas to heat up and emit X-rays that astronomers can detect. The first image of a black hole was captured in 2019 by the Event Horizon Telescope. There may be millions of black holes in the Milky Way alone. When you're near a black hole, space-time is so warped that time moves more slowly for you, compared to someone far away from the black hole. This effect is called gravitational time dilation. There are 4 types of black hole. First is stellar black holes. These form when stars with at least 20 times the mass of the Sun end their lives in a supernova explosion and collapse into a black hole. Second is supermassive black holes, which are found at the centers of most galaxies, including our own Milky Way galaxy. They contain millions or even billions of times the mass of the Sun. Third is intermediate black holes. These are thought to exist in between stellar and supermassive black holes, with masses ranging from hundreds to thousands of solar masses. Fourth is primordial black holes, which is a hypothetical black holes that could have formed shortly after the Big Bang. If you are interested in informative videos like this, then subscribe the channel and turn on notifications.